My name is BJ Kowalski. I'm the president of ROE Dental Laboratory in Independence, Ohio, with several other locations. We're super excited to introduce to you today the Bespoke line of premium prosthetics featuring full arch bespoke restorations. ROE produces really fantastic, high-end, fixed full arch restoration. Bespoke is kind of another level to that, and it really comes down to just the time and the people doing it and the time they spend on it. Bespoke is our premium line of dental prosthetics, focusing first on full arch fixed restorations, which is a centerpiece of what we do at ROE Dental Laboratory. And what makes it different is Bespoke really comes down to the talented technicians that work on it, make sure that they build just deep craftsmanship into every point of the restoration. And really a technician spending their entire day on this restoration, making sure it's just the way that patient wants it, and to really focus on the finest of fine details that make that restoration really a work of art and really a commissioned piece that is a walking piece of art that the patient can smile with every day. Check out Bespoke online. Go to rodentallab.com/bespoke. I have all the answers to your questions. There's a lot of ways to contact us so we can one-on-one talk you through the process and talk you through this special experience for your patient.